Well, hello everybody from Bobby's Hobbies. We are outside in the backyard. It's 18 degrees and it is January 15th, I believe. Yeah. Wild card NFL weekend. And we just set up these LGB tracks. Now, we didn't hook up any power, but these are, of course, designed to be used electrically. And although this is not our main scale, we're mostly HO, little n, and some O scale. This is G scale. I do have a G scale locomotive, but it's a little too cold to try to do all the electrical hookups and make sure the power's working. So instead, we're going to operate this battery-powered locomotive. It's very pretty, and we should have some fun. So we're going to put this on the track, and let's see if we're lucky. Here's the tender. I don't know if I have any cars. I got to look. Like I said, I'm not really big on G-scale. Now, I haven't tested these tracks out, so this thing is liable to fall over. The batteries are good. I tested that. But, you know, whether it'll really run or not, I don't know. Let's see what I'm supposed to do here. Oh, plug it in this thing. Hold on. Alright, well, we're back. I don't know, let's see if this thing is ready to roll. Hey, look at that! Oh, it's going to take a while. I think she lights up. Oh yeah, she needs some oil. Oh, there's little Mimi dog. Hi, Mimi. Now this should be interesting if it could. Wow, that's squeaky. There's a makeshift bridge. Hey, the makeshift bridge worked great. If you want to know what those are are electrical cord tie-ups. Make a great impromptu G-scale bridge. All right. You got real trees instead of fake ones. Hey, this could be catchy. And giant monsters like the little Maltese, who looks pretty big. She's going to investigate the train. It's kind of funny. I was trying to go uphill. Oh, that's a steep grade. Man, it's cold out here. Boy, this would look nice if it had some cars and things. Too bad they don't have any. Well, at least I couldn't find any. Maybe they are in the basement somewhere. Hey, not too bad. All right. I don't know if she could really pull a big train. Maybe the batteries are old. Not bad, makeshift layout. Had these tracked forever. Big snowstorms coming too. Gonna have to boil it up. And it's cold out here. That's the other thing. Hey, these trees, it looks like a real forest. Not bad. Uh-oh. Looks like I'm gonna have to get into G-scale. Let's see if she can make it up this tight grade. She's struggling. Not too bad. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this really great weekend for football. And for now, this is Bobby from Bobby's Hobbies, the train hunter, having a little fun out in the cold with G-scale. And the dog she seems fine with that little sweater. It is cold though. I don't think this train will make it without a snowplow, a rotary snowplow. See, I'm proud of myself with that makeshift bridge. That looks damn good. All right, bye for now, folks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.